In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to configure CDP. So CDP works on switches and routers. It's not supported on ASA firewalls. So it's supported on most devices except firewalls for security reasons. So in this example, I've got 4 switches connected. It's a layer 2 topology, and CDP is enabled on all switches. It's a Cisco default. But there are times when you want to either turn it off on one interface, or just for some other reason it's disabled from the previous enabled state. So I'm going to show you how to enable CDP for all the switches. Then I'm going to show you how to disable it on a specific interface, switch 401. And then run show to CDP to show the effects of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with switch 2. And it's an easy command. I'll go show CDP, verify that it's not running, and I'll go configure T, and CDP run is the global command, and that enables it globally on all interfaces. And I'll go back one level, I'll go show CDP, and so that's it. It's sending every 60 seconds. That's the default timer. Hold time is 180 seconds, and it's sending V2 packets, CDP V2 version packets. So what I want to do then is go over to switch 1 and do the same thing. And I'll go show CDP. It's not running. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is go CDP run. And that's all there is to it. And so now it's currently running on switch 1 as well. Now I'll go to switch 3 and do the same thing. So CDP's running on that. Now I'm going to go over to switch 4, and I'm going to enable it globally like I did with the other 3. So I'm going to go CDP run. This time what I want to do is I want to turn it off on 01 so CD packets aren't sent to switch 2. Interface FA01. I'm going to go no CDP enable. That's how you turn off on an interface. So at this point I'll go back to the top, and now I want to go back to switch 2, and I'll go show CDP neighbor. And you'll notice that switch 4 is showing up. That's a convergence problem. So what happens is if I just click fast forward, then try it again. A couple more times. You'll notice that now it's converged. So after that, there's a hold timer there, 180 seconds. So what happens is now Packet Tracer Simulator has now updated, so it switch 2 is only detecting switch 1 and switch 3. So if you read this, 03 is the local interface on switch 2, and 02 is the local interface. So there it is there. That's the local interface is there. And 3 connects to 1, and 02 connects to switch 3. So that's a local interface. Capability is they're both switches, and they're 2960 switch platform. And the remote interface is 01. So that's what the neighbor interface is. It's connected. The switch 2 is connected to, and they're both 01. And on switch 4, there's no neighbor connectivity there because the interface is not running CDP. So that concludes the CDP lab.